Hi, I got a new dog. His name's Wiki, and he's really playful and fun to be around and boundless energy until I took him to be trained when he went to the kennel. And there he caught kennel cough. Now, he's a rescue dog, which I always thought was free, but it cost $250 to have him. And then I had to get the supplies, like dog houses and leashes and sprays and potty, fake grass and things like that. And then, of course, I had to have him trained because he's not potty trained. So little Wiki has cost me about $1,800 now. And the sad thing is that we don't get to practice the training because he caught kennel cough when he went to the kennel to get trained. That was an extra $120, for the pills and the medicine that he hates taking. So the whole package was pretty expensive, but it was worth it because it's saving his life. Even though I did give him kennel cough and trying to train him. I guess I'll just have to wait till another day to play with Wiki. I would just advise you don't take your dogs to a kennel. So now I hope he will still retain all his training skills when he wakes up from this kennel cough. But until then, he's really good at taking pills. That's something he had to learn. So in a way, he's still trained, right? Say bye, Wiki. I love him. He knows that.